Once upon a time, the batch was nearly released yesterday. QA specialist Maria scanned the final documentation before routine release. Everything looked clean inside the sterile production suite that morning. Operators completed blending, compression, and packaging without reported issues. But one signature line felt strangely unfamiliar today to her. The manufacturing supervisor's initials were slightly different handwriting than usual. Maria paused, sensing something small yet dangerous in the details. She reopened training records and authorization matrices for supervisors' files. The supervisor recently transferred from another facility last month officially. His GMP requalification training was still pending final approval documentation. Yet he had signed critical batch release steps yesterday afternoon. If unnoticed, the product would ship nationwide tomorrow to patients. Maria felt the weight of silent consequences on patients' lives. She alerted quality management before authorizing final release immediately today. An internal investigation began within the hour of notification receipt. Auditors traced every signature against training databases and access logs. They discovered authorization controls were never properly updated after transfer. The system allowed access beyond his qualification status levels erroneously. No contamination occurred, no dosage was incorrect this time, fortunately. But the vulnerability exposed a deeper compliance risk within operations. Production relied on trust instead of verified documentation controls fully. Maria realized GMP is built for moments exactly like this. Where tiny details protect patients, nobody will meet personally ever. Current regulations demand systems stay modern and controlled at all. Training, documentation, and traceability create invisible safety around every batch, because if it is not documented, it never happened officially. That is why GMP protects every patient every single day.